Matter of fact, hold on. That says December 18th, 2020, right there. And you can see it here under, let's go, other loans. It's not there. See it? But when we go to the current credit report, which is today, we should see that line right there. We just passed it. It's there. Again, it says 5 years, but we added it. So that shows you right there that, you know, we can add a trade line with some credit history on it. What's going on, my people? I want to give y'all a quick video real quick of these primaries that we got here. All right, I'm gonna log in this real quick just so y'all can see what's going on. I don't want y'all to, you know, pay attention to the score because that really don't matter. I want to show you about this $85,000 trade line I got on here. We gonna go back a few months prior. That way you can see that it's not on the report. It's gonna report on R3. It's on TransUnion right now, and it should show up on Equifax and Experian by Thanksgiving. It'll report to TransUnion in about 10 to 12 days, so you know it's straight, and it's a real good line too. So I'm gonna show it to you here. So like I said, I don't mind these scores, but this guy got a lot of credit, so you know that's why the scores are kind of low. So I'm gonna go into the let's go into the account real quick. Let's view the credit report. Today is November the 9th, 2020. This trade line was actually posted October the 14th. So as you can see, this young man got a lot of credit, even some few closed accounts. But what we're looking for, these are his credit cards and all of that stuff. That's not what we're looking for. This is what we're looking at right here. There's another one right here, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for this right here. Corner Financial Corporation. So keep that in mind as we going through this video, because when I go back through the prior credit reports, you'll see that this is actually not on a credit report. And that's how you can tell if it's a real primary or not. So if you got a real primary that somebody added on your credit report and it's showing, just say 3 years credit history, when you go back through that credit report, a month, 2 months, 1 year, it shouldn't be on there because we automatically added 3 years. So if it's a primary that we didn't add and it's an account that they had to actually apply for and get approved, it'll be on there 3 years ago, and they had to actually pay each consecutive month in order, you know, for it to report and build it up to 3 years. But when you add a trade line and you automatically add the credit history, it'll be on there, and it shouldn't show in the prior months that it was added. So if we go into this account and it says right here that this account is 60 months, 5 years old, when I go back 3 months from now, this shouldn't be on there because we added the 5 months on there. We added this. So it's not going to show on there in the prior month. It's not, because it wasn't there. We added 5 years. So as you can see, this the balance on there is 85K. And it's showing going back so far as to October of 2018. It says the last payment was on the 6th of this year. It's an individual account, which means primary. Anytime you see this, that means it's a primary. Or if it says joint, or there's a few others too, but it'll mainly say this. It'll say joint if it's something, you know, where you apply with someone else or both of y'all are on the same trade line. All right, so this is through, let's see here. I'm sorry. Let's go. This is a note loan. Okay. All right, so this payment is reported October the 14th. That's the last payment update. So let's go back. All right, I'm not sure if you guys can see this here, because sometimes when I click on this drop down box, it won't show the actual years or the month that I'm going back to the prior reports. So now remember, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for Corner Financial Corporation in the prior months. Now, if I added this on there, it shouldn't show because we automatically added it. So I'm not sure if you guys can see this drop down box, but I'm gonna go back to, let's go back to September 21st. All right, we're gonna go back real quick. I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible. Like I said, on mine, the score, this guy got almost 300K in credit, so it's good. All right, that was under other loans. Other loans, we got West Side Credit, Tower Loan is there. There's not even an inquiry from the place that we're looking for, which is Corner Financial. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go back to August 26, 2020. We're gonna see if it's on there. Okay. We're gonna go down to other, West Side Credit Corp and Tower. No, that's not on there. July 31st, 2020. Let's go back to, let's go far back. Let's go to December 18th, 2018. Now remember that trade line is 5 years old. We only went back 2 years. So it should be on there if we didn't really add this. It's not on here. And the reason it's not on here is because we automatically added the 5 years worth of credit history. So I don't know how much more proof that can be right there, but this says December the 18th, 2018. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Hopefully you can. If not, you know, I have to do something else here. I should have got another camera. Matter of fact, hold on. That says December 18th, 2020 right there. And you can see it here under, let's go, other loans. It's not there. See it? But when we go to the current credit report, which is today, we should see that line right there. We just passed it. It's there. Again, it says 5 years, but we added it. So that shows you right there that, you know, we can add a trade line with some credit history on it. I'm not gonna make this video too long, but we got a few different primaries that report they are going to be like 3 to 5 years old. So most of these are going to be anywhere from 36 to 60 months in credit history, and it's going to show the actual payment, the check marks, and all of this stuff right here that comes along with it. It's not going to be blank where it's not showing no legit credit history, you know, because those creditors, they want to see those check marks. Again, we got these from 25 on up to right now 85. We got something that's a little bigger, they're a little more expensive in cost. I'm gonna have these up on the website probably later today. If not tomorrow, you guys can contact me, and if you want to get some of these, like I said, they'll report to all 3 bureaus. They're gonna report to TransUnion first, and then they'll report to Equifax and Experian within, I'm gonna say, well, 15 to 21 days. The actual other credit bureaus will be showing this same line here by Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna try to give you guys an update by then, and I'll do another part to this video, you know, to show you guys that this is legit. So, but these are on the profile that we did, and these report to CPMs. This is actually a CPM profile. It's an age appropriate CPM, meaning that it's going to match the actual year that you were born. If not the same year, it's going to be from the correct era. Put it that way. It's not randomized. We don't do unissued CPNs or none of that stuff. You guys know what I do. But let's get it. So, you know, if y'all want to get these lines, you know, let me know. We got some, like I said, we got this note loan. We got an auto. We got a line of credit. We have a home loan and a couple of other lines. Like I said, I'm going to put them on the website. And then you guys will be able to go in there and see them. And we'll get this money. So, you know, if you guys want to see anything else, just let me know, and we'll get some stuff going for you. Here's my website, www.realcreditnow, creditnow.com, realcreditnow.com. So I'm gonna add these on here. I haven't actually added these on here. I got a live chat too. So if you guys can't reach me by phone, you can reach me by live chat. This is the only primary I got listed on here. And this is actually incorrect, this information. It actually reports to R3. So, but I'm finna update all of this stuff. And then you guys just let me know what you want to do. And we'll make it happen. As simple as that. So, hope to see you guys soon. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. You know, I don't do this stuff for fun. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Turn on notifications so when I do drop another video, you know, you'll know, and I'll keep you in the loop. And give me a call. Y'all know my website is right here at realcreditnow.com. My telephone number is 248-499-2422. So I will see you guys in the next video, and come on and get these primaries. We got them right here. All right. Y'all take it easy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.